Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a sheet mask Saturday for you. Yay! I decided to start keeping track of all my sheet masks again, like my sheet mask empties, and doing reviews on them. For a while I stopped because I just was using so many of the same ones. My stash had gotten like full of ones that were all the same, and it was getting really redundant, and I just figured it was kind of boring. Sorry, I didn't do anything with my hair today, and anyway, so it was getting really boring, but recently I've got new ones in, and then for a while I just kind of gave up on masking. I started out really strong in 2018, and I was masking constantly, and then because I was prepping for my my 30th class reunion, and then after the reunion, I just like fell off the skincare wagon. I mean, bad, like really bad. I was even sleeping in my makeup. I was just being terrible. So now I have started up again. And so I started keeping track of these. I have 15 that I used during the month of January. Actually, I used a couple more because I didn't decide until like the 4th or the 5th that I was going to start keeping track of them again. So a couple of them I had thrown away, but this is the ones I've used, and I'll just give a quick rundown of these. This is the Nature Ginseng mask. I really like these. They're very inexpensive. You can get them for around $1 a piece. I purchased them when they have a sale on Outlook, like a Nature event, and they're very inexpensive. They're like I said, you can get them for in a pack where they average out to be $1, sometimes even less a piece. I really like the ginseng. When you use a ginseng mask, if it smells like dirt, you know it's good. If you don't smell dirt in a ginseng mask, then it ain't ginseng. I'm sorry, but ginseng smells like dirt. And this one is good for it says it's revitalizing and firming, and I do see those results from it. So I purchased, excuse me, these in a pack from Outlook, but like I said, you can get them on Amazon or eBay. Places like that. It's a really good one. And those Nature masks are a thicker formula. They don't have a ton of essence in them, but they're like a thick cotton type sheet mask, so they're really nice. This one you've seen on my channel before. Sorry about my dog. This is the Mediheal Line Friends NMF Aqua Ring Ampule, and I've shown this multiple times already, but these are really good. Mediheal is probably, that and Papa Recipe are my favorite brand. This is got the little characters on the cheek of the mask itself, which is always kind of fun and cute. But and they have plenty of essence in them, and I don't really know what the NMF stands for, but these are brightening, toning, hydrating, you know, just all around good. I really like these. Again, you can purchase these eBay, Amazon, but I always wait until Mediheal is having an event on Outlook. That's just the way I personally like to. I like to use my Nordstrom card for Outlook because I build up Nordstrom points and everything, and then I can buy more stuff with that. So that's how I'd like to do it. This is a My Beauty Diary Imperial Bird's Nest mask. I kind of got excited when I found this in my stash because I didn't think I had any more My Beauty Diary masks, but it's tiny and in comparison to like the other packages, and it must have slipped in and I didn't see them. So I have a few more. This one is a really nice one. It gives really good results. My skin is very clear and bright and toned, hydrated, everything after this. My Beauty Diary is a Taiwanese company. These run a little bit small, so they're definitely made with Asian women in mind. My big old face, this runs small on my face, you know what I mean? But I still really like these a lot, and they're very, very nice. I've never seen these on Outlook, but you can purchase them on Amazon. And I believe even now Target, I think for a while, I don't know if they still are because I'm kind of out of the loop, but for a while Target was selling My Beauty Diary and My Scheming, which is a sister company to My Beauty Diary, on their website. So you can always check that out. This is from the Face Shop, and it is a green tea mask. Somebody gave this to me, one of the subscribers. She sent this to me, and I finally got around to using it, and it was really, really nice. I love green tea. It's like a clarifying, kind of toning, pore care, you know, kind of thing. So this was really, really nice. The Face Shop is a good brand. I have used them before, other varieties, and no complaints about this one. I'm not sure where I purchased it. I think I got the ones I got off of Mimi Box, but Mimi Box is different now. It's not like it used to be. So But I know you can probably find this on Amazon and eBay. So next is another Mediheal one. This is the dress code red. I've showed these numerous times before, and these are always fun, these dress code ones, because they have that mask printed on the actual sheet mask itself. So it's like this is on your face, you know. I really like these dress code masks. They're always good. They always leave your skin bright, clear, bouncy. When I say bouncy, I mean like toned or firmed, you know. They're just all around a good mask. I always see results when I'm done with that. Hydration, you know, that kind of stuff. Really, really good. Again, I get these on Hotluck when they do a Mediheal event. This next one was fairly new. I didn't get this until after Christmas. I had some TJ Maxx rewards that I went to turn in, and I found this Esfolio pumpkin rejuvenate soothing glow rejuvenate mask, and it was on clearance. They were in a box of 8 for $4.99, and I grabbed them because I was thinking that this was the brand that my friend Janie said is a dupe for Too Cool for School. I was really excited because they had the egg cream ones too, which I'm about to show you. And so I bought them, and it's not the brand that's a dupe for Too Cool for School. However, this one is good. I did like this. I saw results from it. I love pumpkin masks. Those are one of my favorite types of masks to use. Pumpkin is really, really nourishing and hydrating for the skin, so I really enjoyed this. I'm really glad I found them, and I'm glad I have more to use because I like this. So like I said, it was on clearance for $4.99 a box of 8 at TJ Maxx, so you might want to check there. And then this is the Esfolio Egg Essence mask sheet. This one I'm not crazy about. I didn't really see that much from it. I mean, it wasn't horrible as far as it didn't break me out, it didn't irritate me, it didn't cause me to have any issues or anything like that, but it didn't really do anything for me, and it's nowhere close to the Too Cool for School egg cream. Just so you know, it's not even close. So don't go into it thinking it's going to be the same, because it's not even close. But I think this was a box of 10 for $6.99 at TJ Maxx. Just okay. Not, I mean, it gave me a little bit of light hydration, and I would say that was it. So wasn't crazy about that one. This is the, sorry, I'm still stuffed up from my cold. This is the Leaders in Solution What Happened Last Night mask. You can purchase these on Leaders website. Ulta carries them also. This is just a really good one. If you've had your skin, you know, you've drank too much alcohol, if you've been out in the sun, if you were, you know, just stressors, any kind of stressors on your skin, this is a good one to kind of help you bounce back from that. I used it because I wasn't sleeping good when I was sick, so I used it to kind of help perk me up after that. And Leaders is always good. I believe if you get these at Ulta, they're $4 a piece, so it's nice. Leaders is always nice. This one is the Tony Moly Mini House of Masks Vitamin C Brightening mask sheet. So I got these at a Macy's in a little tiny box that looked like a house, and I think there's like 5 in there, and they were really inexpensive. I think it was like $8 for 5, or was it $5 for 5? I can't remember. Not impressed. Not impressed. Didn't really do anything. It didn't really do anything. So, you know, if you see these, I'd say pass them up. That's just my opinion, but you know. This is the Donkey Milk Healing Skin Gel Mask for soothing and troubled hair. I really enjoy these Donkey Milk masks. They're really, really good. I use this one specifically because I had an issue, not really an issue, but I was trying a product that was new to me. I'm going to do a video review on this product sometime in the future soon. And it was a resurfacing serum, and it was the very first time I was using it, and I was afraid I was going to get irritated, and I put it on my skin, and within about 5 minutes I started to be red, and hot, like warm. It didn't burn. It didn't feel like it burned me. I wasn't getting like splotches or welts or anything, but my skin got warm. It wasn't burning. It was just a warm feeling, and I had redness in my cheeks, in my forehead, my chin. So I had put that on. It'd been about 5 minutes before I started to feel warm like that, and the redness started to develop. I waited about another 10 minutes. It didn't get worse. You know, it just kind of was the same. So I knew I wasn't going to have to like wash it off or anything. I took this out because it's the soothing, and I put this on over that resurfacing treatment that I used to soothe my skin, calm it down, cool it off. Worked like a dream, was so good, and I have used that resurfacing fluid since then, and it hasn't done anything like that to me. It was just the very first time I used it. It was a new product. My skin wasn't used to it yet, so I had this on hand specifically to soothe that in case I had a reaction. And these, I always recommend having masks like this on hand so that if you do get an irritation or something, you know, you've got that. I think I purchased these on HauteLook, but you can get them, again, eBay, Amazon. Here's another fresh Nature 15-minute fresh aloe. These were really inexpensive on HauteLook. I think they end up being like around 50 cents a piece. I got them in packs of 20, so I had plenty of them. And I love these, especially in the summertime when my skin is hot, because I get hot. And I mean, it's not like the greatest mask. Like, you don't see like massive results from it, but it soothes my skin, cools it off, tones down my redness. This is another Donkey Milk. This is the brightening formula. I really like this one. Donkey Milk is a really good brand. I really like them a lot. So I really like this. I enjoy it. You see results from that. Here we have Papa Recipe Honey Butter. Papa Recipe and Mediheal are like my favorite brands, definitely. And this honey butter is a really good mask. I bought these on HauteLook in a box of 5, I think for like $20 or $22. They're not a watery essence. It's a thick white cream that is on the mask, and it is just like butter. I mean, it just melts into your skin. It's so fantastic. If you are super dehydrated, parched, dry, anything like that, this will do wonders for you. You will see results that will carry over into the next day. At least I do. I love these masks. They're a little bit more expensive, so I don't use them all the time. But since I've been sick, I was really irritated around my nose, my upper lip, and right here on my cheeks from where I'm blowing my nose constantly. And this just instantly soothed all that. And where I was kind of flaky even. I was getting flaky here. And I had a little bit of flakes right here. I don't know what that was about. This just took care of that. They're fantastic. You can buy Papa Recipe on Amazon and eBay. I don't know enough about other sellers to know how to tell the difference between a knockoff or the real thing. And Papa Recipe does have knockoffs because it can be a more expensive mask. So I always just get them on HauteLook because I can trust that that's the real thing. But that's the honey butter. Here we have the Leaders in Solution Coconut Gel Mask, broccoli kind type essence. When it says coconut gel mask, it's not coconut. The mask itself is made from coconut fiber. So the broccoli is in the essence and the element that you're going to be putting on your skin as far as the serum goes. These are really, really nice. This is my favorite of the superfoods line that Leaders has. I like the broccoli one. People swear by the tomato one. For me, the tomato's just okay, but I really, really like the broccoli one. It's just an all-around good mask for me. Hydrates me, tightens up my skin, tones, gives me brightness. I believe these are either $4 or $6 if you purchase them on the Leader site or at Ulta. But if you get them on sale, like when Leaders is running a sale, I found these actually on HauteLook because HauteLook does Leaders events regularly, and you can get them, you know, like a pack of 5 of these for a little bit less that way. So again, always check HauteLook, and I will leave my link from HauteLook in the description section below. You can sign up through me. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. If you do, I think, and you place an order, I think I get a $25 thing. I don't know exactly how it works. I don't think I've ever had anybody do that, but I'll leave it down there anyways below. And what HauteLook is they run like events of different brands, for a couple of days and then it goes away. Shipping takes a long time. I'm currently waiting on a K-Beauty order from HauteLook. I placed it on the 22nd of January. Today is February 2nd and it hasn't even shipped yet. So you does take a long time to get your items from HauteLook, but as long as you're not in a hurry for anything, then it doesn't matter. And then lastly, I have this Avon Anew Royal Jelly Firming Mask. These were discontinued and they were really, really good masks. I've talked about these before. They were too expensive, I think. Avon wasn't really in touch with the sheet mask market, and they came out with these, and the masks themselves were fabulous, but they were way too expensive. So when these were on clearance for $3.99 for a box of 4, and with my discount I was paying $2.50, I bought a ton of them. So I had a hoard. I was like smog hoarding up sitting on my pile of sheet masks, you know, instead of gold, right? I was hoarding my sheet masks. But now Avon is coming out with new sheet masks at a way better price point. They're going to be $2.99, I think. What's the intro price? Like $1.99 or something like that. I don't remember. They're coming out in campaign 8. Really excited about them. I think they show a lot of promise. And so I thought, well, I guess I can start loosening my grip on my hoard of Anew brightening royal jelly masks finally. So you can't get these anymore, but they were really wonderful. Although probably if you checked eBay, you'd be able to find somebody selling them on there. But they were really, really nice. So those are the 15 sheet masks that I used during the month of January. Approximately $30 worth of masks, I think I figured them out to be. So let me know if you like this video, if you're interested in masking, if you have any questions, put them in this question comment section, and I will do my best to answer you. I will do another sheet mask Saturday in early March, I guess, for February's masks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.